All right, buckle up, fam. You thought the roar of the Hemi was gone for good? That Dodge was about to trade its muscle for, well, less muscle? Psych. The game is about to change, and we've got the inside scoop. The 411. What's the real T? So, get this. Stellantis just hit the reboot button on its legendary street and racing technology, SRT division. That's right, the crew that gave us the most unhinged cars on the planet is back in the building. And who's running the show? None other than Tim Kuniskis, the madman who greenlit the bonkers Challenger SRT Demon 170. You already know what that means. They're cooking up something absolutely ridiculous for the new Charger platform. We're hearing whispers of names like Charger Daytona SRT Banshee, Demon, Hellcat, Redeye. Honestly, call it whatever you want, but it has one job: to be an undisputed tire-shredding drag strip king. Let's put this in perspective.
The all-new
The new electric Charger
SRT.
Daytona Scat Pack already throws down a massive 670 horsepower. The last Demon 170, a casual 1,025 ponies on E85 juice. So, for a new car to earn the Demon badge, it can't just be fast. It has to be reality-bendingly, did I just see that? Fast. We're talking next-level power, mind-blowing marketing stunts, and enough smoky donuts to block out the sun. Dodge has teased a Banshee model, flirting with 900 horsepower, so a new Demon has to leap way past that. Visually, expect them to take the slick, modern retro design of the new Charger Daytona, a masterpiece by Ralph Giel, and inject it with a serious dose of steroids. We're picturing ridiculously wide fender flares, aggressive aero bits, and probably some sick Easter eggs only true Mopar heads will catch. Okay, but why should you care? Look, this ain't just another car launch. For Dodge, cars like the Hellcat and Demon are its entire vibe. They are the brand. While other companies build sensible sedans and sprinkle in a fast version, Dodge's foundation is built on pure, unapologetic performance. It's for the brotherhood of muscle, and they're not trying to be anyone else. These Halo cars are the legends that make the whole brand cool. They need a new monster to lead the charge, and this is it. Now's a good time to drop a comment. Which name gets your engine revving the most? Hellcat, Banshee, or Demon? And while you're down there, smashing that like button helps us keep bringing you this high-octane content. The million-dollar question: what's powering this beast? Here's where it gets spicy. The new STLA large platform is a legit chameleon. It can handle gas engines, hybrids, and full-on EVs. An all-electric setup is the easiest path to insane horsepower numbers. Think instant torquey, baby. But the fans are talking. And they seem way more hyped for the new Hurricane inline-six engine in the Charger 6-pack than the silent but deadly Daytona EV. The core Demon buyer wants the noise, the vibration,
SRT.
the drama of an internal combustion engine. So, here's the plot twist. Stellantis is bringing back the Hemi V8 for the Ram 1500 truck. It's just a 5.7-liter for now, but what if SRT got their hands on it and slapped on some hybrid electric boost? A V8 rumble with electric torque? That could be the cheat code to create a modern monster worthy of the name. The damage and the drop date. Get ready to check your bank account. The price tag is estimated to hover around $110,000. You can expect this new king of the streets to start terrorizing your local drag strip in the fall of 2028. Look, the V8-only era might be over, but the soul of pure, unfiltered American muscle is clearly here to stay. Dodge isn't backing down. They're reloading. You want to be the first to know when this beast officially breaks cover? To get the raw, unfiltered specs before anyone else? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're about to shift 100 into a new dimension of automotive insanity. And trust me, you don't want to get left in the smoke.